Hey, it's B again. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm doing a tutorial on how to import media to iMovie. I just started off by opening iMovie and clicking on create new movie. On the left you already see libraries, and photos is one subfolder below it. After it finishes loading, you can see all your videos and photos. I chose this video and I just dragged it to the editing bar. And I added one picture as well to just show you how to insert images. On the information button, you can set the duration on how long you want to show your image. As you can see, 4 seconds can be sometimes too short, so I set it on 8 seconds. In addition to dragging your videos to the editing bar, you can also click the plus button, but then your video will just go straight to the end. Sometimes my photos will upload in the Photos app, but iMovie takes a lot of time to show them in the libraries section. If you just take your photo to Photos app, then it appears as an image. So to fix that, I will drag my video to desktop. You can also make folders and drag all videos you need to that folder. And if you drag your videos from folder, not Photos app, then they appear as videos and you can just start editing your videos as normal. Thank you so much for watching this, and click that like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you want to see more. That's it for me today. Bye!